Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. As always, I'm your host, Jonathan. And as you can see, today New York City has had its first serious snowfall, and it made me think of the deadliest, biggest snowfall New York City ever had, in fact, the Northeast ever had, and that was the blizzard of 1888, which was so severe people called it a white hurricane. There was a mild March, very cool but not cold temperatures, when suddenly this storm comes out of nowhere and it is 6 degrees and it is snowing. There are 20 inches of snow here in New York City, as many as 40 and 50 upstate. I mean, really a tremendous snowstorm, and the city is stopped. There's no coal delivery, no wood, no milk, no nothing, and the city is packed with snow. And they don't have modern techniques, snow plows and snow throwers and things like that to get rid of the snow, so they have to do it by hand, and they're digging the city out, they're digging Brooklyn out, they're digging Manhattan out, and it takes a really long time, and primitive phone lines are snapped, telegraph lines are broken, and the city realizes, Boston realizes, New York realizes, Hartford realizes that the city is really vulnerable with all of these telegraph and technology, with all of those lines above ground, because the winter destroyed them all. So that puts all of New York City's telephone lines and, well, telegraph lines, we don't really have those anymore, but all of those things are then put underground. And there was a call after the snowstorm of 1888 to have underground transportation. So that's where Boston will have the first metro in New York, in America, and New York will follow. And by 1900, there is an underground, the subway here in New York, because in part people said we couldn't get around, we couldn't get food places, we couldn't get anywhere. If that were all underground, it wouldn't be as vulnerable. So we still have a lot of snow in New York. In fact, 94, 95, people are talking about that snowstorm, the snowstorms we had during 94, 95. And 95, 96, both bitterly cold winters, but nothing like the winter of 1888. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walk.